Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to download and install Spotify on your Windows device. For this, go to Start, then click on Microsoft Store. Now search for Spotify here. Now click on this. Check the requirement option here. The system requirements is okay. Now click on install. I am skipping the installing part. The install is finished. Now click open. Here is the Spotify app. Now log in with your credentials. After installing Spotify, what you have to do is click on this icon here, right button, and pin to taskbar. Now if you close the app, you can open this again from this taskbar. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.